Hi, my name is John Kelly, and I'm a trucking accident attorney. I'm based out of Phoenix, Arizona, but I handle trucking accident cases throughout the nation. I want to talk to you today about something that's extremely important and becoming even more important today with any auto accident or specifically semi-truck accident, which is surveillance video. We are finding more and more that there are a lot of cameras that are pointing in one fashion or another towards the roads. Especially if you're in a city and involved in an accident, there may have been a surveillance video that captured the accident. So anytime that there is that situation that we want to try to capture those surveillance videos, there's a fair amount of urgency to get out to the scene as quickly as possible. So for your case, what I do is I actually hire an investigator to go to the physical scene, whether it be, in the countryside or in a city. We get out there, we actually physically look around as much as possible, 360, to see, is there a convenience shop that might have been pointing towards it? Is there a quick shop? Is there a restaurant that had surveillance video that could capture some of the information that may be useful? We may get witnesses, we may actually see the accident. I often will, send a letter of preservation, and the police don't always capture this. They don't have time to actually look around and gather it. So I get out there right away and I start talking to people. Sometimes surveillance video can be difficult to get. Companies, especially corporate companies, they don't always want to give it up. So if there's a restaurant or something and it's a chain, you may have to go to a corporate representative to make a special request to actually see the surveillance video. But the urgency is that these surveillance videos can often be overwritten after a certain amount of time, meaning it's gone forever. We find that 30 days is sometimes how quickly they write over. So if you don't get out there on scene and request that surveillance video, get a copy of it within 30 days, some of them are 45 days, sometimes we see 60, but oftentimes they are rewriting because they don't want to use all that storage space. So we get out there, you got to capture that evidence before it's written over. At my law firm, if you have a semi-accident and you've caused severe injuries, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you wherever the accident is. And we make sure we put a team together that's going to go out to the scene and make sure we're capturing all the physical evidence, but also that surveillance evidence that may be so critical in making sure you can maximize your recovery from the accident. If you would like to see if we're a good fit to work together, please give us a call at 602-283-4122.